I'm gonna show you how to replace these license plate lights on Jeep Cherokee. Okay, you open the trunk, you need a screwdriver like this. Just put the screwdriver in like this, push in there, and it should open. Okay, once it's open, you can remove the light. Just turn this light like this. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Pull it out, and when inserting it, make sure you have your marker lights on right now. Okay, and if you insert it the wrong way, it's not gonna work. This is the right way. If you insert it the other way, LEDs won't work, but a regular bulb will work. So if you want to upgrade, make sure you do it right. And just put this in and turn it. And insert the light. And that's it. You see? So if this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel.